Um, Hope everybody's doing well this morning. Just want to kind of touch base and go over the trade are executing right now on the S&P futures. Before we begin, I just want to talk a little bit about patience and setting up trades. This is back on the 19th, March 19th. So about 2 weeks ago, we did an overall analysis on the SPY ETF, looking for what's going on in a long-term chart. I use the SPY because going back 10 years, it's a cleaner chart and you can see, and then you could translate that to the futures. So we looked at potential support areas and we looked at potential resistance areas. So we discussed that. If you want more information, just look at the video on that I did yesterday, S&P futures trade setup, and then the entry point also right there in my blog, lotsofmoil.com. But going back to what we're looking at right now. So just patience. I mean, it's taken 2 weeks to set it up. We sat by and watched the market rally. So yesterday, like I was mentioning, we were getting to that area of resistance that we were looking to execute a trade. We had seen the market, go hit resistance. It was lining up with our trend line that we had discussed also in the video on March 19th. And so, we were patient with it. We looked at it. Most of the day, the market, like I mentioned, was going kind of sideways. But then we had the breakdown towards the end of the market. So we were able to get in. We were able to sell a futures contract at 2,582 and 50 cents. So you can see that has definitely overnight has gone our direction. We also discussed this area here being a potential support area. So we're looking at anywhere between 25.20 to about 25.30, 25.35. So I'm gonna put a little note there to keep an eye out in this area here as we might see a market rally um, to this side and hit this resistance line. So this could give you another opportunity for an entry point for somebody who has not gotten into a trade, somebody that looks wants to add to the position. This would be another good point to look at a potential entry point. So I'm going to put a little box there just to keep an eye out for that area. Um, so far, the trade's working out well in our favor. So as you can see, we have a good almost 100 points in our direction. So overall, we are looking for a larger market breakdown. We want to be patient with this trade. We are looking for this to retest the bottom, at least the bottom that we made back in the 23rd. So at 21.74. So we're looking. There's still a lot of more to go in this trade as far as movement to the downside. And if things, this could be a very nice, downtrend right now. So let's see what happens. Um, let's keep an eye out for today. I'll probably come back middle of the day or towards the end of the day today and give a recap on what we're seeing, what's going on. But keep an eye out on this 25.20, 25.35 um, area, and wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of a counter rally after this large move this morning. Any questions? Again, go to my blog. I have all my charts. I have information I post. Try to post as much as possible. My email and my information is there. Feel free to reach out to me, leave a comment. Anything any questions you might have on my trading style or how I got started into this. More than happy to answer any questions. Again, it's Bert, and have a good day. Stay safe out there and enjoy your family while you're locked up in your house. Take care and have a great one.